Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is now time for the third edition of the Celerity 30 Under 30 Supply Chain Superstars and 40 Under 40 Supply Chain Super Achievers Awards 2021. All of us have been facing challenges since this pandemic started. This year, we were hopeful of having an on-ground event in a hotel banquet hall with the stage, cocktails, and the frills. But the scare of the third wave got us back to organizing it as an online event. We have tried to do our best to make this event memorable for the winners. A heartfelt thanks to our jury members, the jury, despite their busy schedules, diligently went through each nomination entry and scored them to arrive at our final list of winners. We thank Professor Ashok Pundir, Royston Fernandez, Akhil Srivastava, Ranjan Sharma, Ravikant Parvatneni, and Raviraj Rodrigues, who were our jury for the 40 Under 40 category. A huge round of applause for them. Gratitude to our jury for the 30 Under 30 category, Himanshu Malu, Rajat Sharma, Umesh Madhyan, Vikram Srivastava, and Saurabh Raghuvanshi. A huge round of applause to them too. We start with the young budding talent in supply chain, the Celerity 30 Under 30 Supply Chain Superstars. The winners are in alphabetical order. A huge round of applause for them. And our very first winner in the 30 Under 30 Superstars category is Akash Verma. Can we have Akash Verma on stage, please?
Thank you, Charu. I think it's a
Hi,
huge
Akash.
honor.
Akash,
Yeah,
your video is not on. Can we see you, please?
yeah, just a minute. Yeah, is it
Hi,
better now?
Akash. Yes,
Hi.
congrats. Please say a
Thank
few
you, Charu.
words.
Yeah, I think it's a huge honor for me to receive these prestigious awards. I'm really thankful to you, your organization, as well as juries for considering my experience as credible enough for this award. I'm really thankful to all. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Akash. Congrats once again. And we have our next winner, Ajay Diwadi. Can we have Ajay on stage, please? Hi, Ajay. Ajay, your camera is not on. Yes, hi, Ajay. You're on mute. We can't hear you. Ajay, we cannot hear you. Ajay, you're not audible. Ajay, you're not audible. I'm sorry. Ajay, we'll get you back on stage. Thank you very much. We will definitely get you back on stage, Ajay. Can we have the next winner, please? It's Arpan Garg. Can we have Arpan on stage, please? Hi, Arpan. Yes.
Hello,
Hi.
hello everyone. I would like to start by thanking Charulata and the other Celerity team members for such a good initiative of finally recognizing supply chain talent in the country, which I think was not happening before. That's really encouraging for us and for talents like us to work more harder towards that for making it more efficient. I'd like to thank the jury members for selecting whatever experience I have, although it's a small one till now, being in the 30. But yeah, absolutely, it helps a lot to work more towards the future and to make supply chain more efficient and robust. And I'd like to just thank and congratulate all the winners who have won along with me. And thank you, Charlata. Thank you.
Thank you, Arpan. Thanks a lot. Congrats once again. Enjoy your success. Thank you.
Thank you.
And our next winner is Divya. Hi, Divya. Camera. Yes.
Hi, hey
Hi.
Charu. Hi
Great to
everyone.
see you. Yes.
Yeah,
So
likewise.
please say a few words.
Certainly, it is such an honor to be awarded as a supply chain under 30 star. I deeply express my gratitude to my parents, my professors, and my friends who have supported me through my journey and also guided me. I thank Mondelez for putting their faith in me to handle one of the biggest transformation projects of North America, and especially in the early stages of my career when I joined the team as the youngest member. And finally, thank you, Celerity, for this recognition. I'm truly humbled. Congratulations to all the winners.
Congrats, Divya. Enjoy your success. And our next winner is Garima. Garima Kishore. Can we have Garima on stage, please? Hi, Garima. How are you?
Hi, Charu. Thank you so much for the award. Thanks so much to Celerity for considering my application for this award. I would like to thank Johnson and Johnson family and especially my manager who had faith in me and also nurtured me through my journey to achieve this award. And congratulations to all the winners. Thank you so much for the award.
Thank you, Garima. Enjoy the award. And our next winner is Mas Pathan. Can we have Mas on stage? Hi, Mas. Cameras. Hi.
Hey,
Yes, hi. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. Hi, Charu.
Hi.
Thank you very much. I thank Celerity and the jury members for a good journey for me. Learned a lot of things starting my career with Landmark Group and then with Amazon. Uh, I think specific to e-commerce, I can say that the most challenging part which we manage every day is to manage multiple product categories into a single network. Every category behave differently in terms of demand, in terms of logistics requirement, or with respect to customer service. I think managing this seamlessly with the technology backend, I think makes it more exciting and interesting. I think it has been a good journey. People who have contributed to this are also part of this recognition. So I would like to thank my managers, my peers, my family, most importantly, who have been part of this journey. So thank you all. Thank you, Celerity, once again.
Thank you, Mas. Enjoy your success. Yes, and our next winner is Pooja Shah. Can we have Pooja on stage, please?
Hey, hi
Hi,
Charu.
Pooja. I'm very glad to see a lot of young women talent this year winning the award, and there are some more to come. So I'm like really, really happy about it. So please say a few words.
Absolutely. Yeah. So thanks a lot, Charu, first of all. Thank you, Celerity, for this beautiful trophy. members specifically for the recognition. This reinstills the faith that we at Nestle have been doing stuff that is really impacting the overall value chain and is really adding value. So it sort of boosts the spirit that we take forward towards contributing towards a better supply chain. So thanks a lot for that. Humbled and fulfilled with gratitude. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Pooja. Enjoy your success. And
Thanks a lot.
our next winner is Prajakta. Can we have Prajakta on stage? So one more woman winner. Hi, Prajakta.
Hi Charu. First of all, thank you so much to Celerity team for giving us this opportunity to showcase our talent. Secondly, I would like to express my deep gratitude to my parents and my mentor at Intas Pharmaceuticals, who have given me a great opportunity to work in the projects. Thank you so much to all my colleagues, my well-wishers and friends for their support. Last but not the least, thank you to the jury for considering my profile. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Prajakta. And our next winner is Rahul Vishwakarma. Rahul, can we have you on stage? So Rahul, your camera, please. So
Hey, hi.
Hi, Rahul, you're a young entrepreneur. You are doing a lot of work in the AI space in demand planning. So how do you feel?
First of all, thank you so much, Celerity, for recognizing me and Make Labs. Also, thank you so much, jury, for recognizing again us as one of the trailblazers here. Of course, it feels exciting and equally scary being in this industry, which is run by so many knowledgeable and veterans that are there. But thank you so much again.
Thank you, Rahul. Thanks a lot. Best of luck. And another woman winner, it is Rashmeet Kaur. Can we have Rashmeet? Rashmeet, hi Rashmeet, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. I'm actually extremely excited and I resonate your thought process. So excited to see that I'm amongst so many other women out there, unlike other recognitions where you're the only one. So thank you so much, Celerity. Thank you so much, the entire jury. Most importantly, thank you to my mentors, both at workplace, outside my workplace, and the people who have been constant allies. This is the beginning of a career that is going to inspire a lot of young women out there. That's how I see it myself as, and thank you for giving me this recognition. Thank you so much.
Congrats once again, Rashmeet. And we have Sonakshi Jain. This seems to be the day for young talent, women supply chain professionals. Can we have Sonakshi on stage, please? Hi, Sonakshi. Great to see so many women winning this year in the under 30 category specifically. I hope more and more of us join the brigade. How are you feeling, Sonakshi?
I'm feeling great. Thank you so much, Charulata, and good evening, everyone. I'm honored to receive this award, and I'm really thankful to the whole Celerity team and the Under 30 jury for recognizing our efforts. I'm grateful to my team at Nestle and all my mentors who've always trusted me with such amazing roles and responsibilities. And of course, without thanking my parents, I cannot stop my speech. So I'm extremely blessed to have parents who've always encouraged me and brought out the best in me. So I am dedicating this award to my father. Thank you so much, Celerity.
Thank you, Sonakshi. That was a very sweet gesture on your part. Thank you so much. And our final winner in the 30 under 30 supply chain superstar category, Shubhendu Roy. Shubhendu, your camera, please.
Hi, Charu.
Hi,
Good to see
Shubhendu.
everybody. First of all, very thanks a lot, Charu, for nominating and giving us this opportunity to project and present our skill sets on the top of this Celebrity Supply Chain 30 under 30 hour ceremonies. Thanks to all the jury members who had got a chance to review all our profiles and nominate us for the further proceeding of this process. And first of all, I'd like to thank. For this beautiful art of piece of art and giving this particular award, and thanks a lot to Cognizant who and all my professors, my friends and colleagues, and finally my mentor Swarna Lata, who had given me as a beautiful opportunity to work on very of the transformational programs in the very beginning of my corporate journey. And again, congratulations to all the winners again, and yeah, that's it. Thank you again. Charu.
Thank you, Shubhendu. Thank you for joining us today. Thanks a lot. Congrats and enjoy your success.
Sure. Thank you.
And that brings us to the end of the 30 under 30. We are now in the 40 under 40 Super Achievers Awards category. It is said that those who walk, we should always walk the extra mile because it's less crowded there. And our winners today, both in the 30 under 30 and the 40 under 40 category, have walked the extra mile and reached towards the goal of having a Celerity Award, which is actually very less crowded because only the truly deserving get our trophy. The first winner in alphabetical order is Abhishek Gautam. Can we have Abhishek on stage, please? So, hi Abhishek, how are you doing?
Yeah, hi Charulata. Good evening, everyone. Thanks a lot, Charulata. Thanks a lot, Celerity, for recognizing the supply chain fraternity across the country. And thanks the jury member for selecting me as a 40 under 40 and presenting this a beautiful trophy to me. And rightly said by Charulata, today is the day when we are recognizing the women across the supply chain. And today is the day, what I believe is for Nestle India. We have already won 3 awards, and it's proud to say that, proud to see that 3 people are there in the in this Celerity Awards. Thanks a lot again, and thanks and congratulations to all my all fellow awardees. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Abhishek. Can we have the next winner, please? And our next winner is Aditya Sharma. Yeah, hi
Charu.
Aditya.
Good
Hi.
evening.
Please
Thank
say
you
a
so
few
much.
words. Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much for the award and the recognition. I am very thankful to my family, my parents, and my wife for supporting me in my initiatives. I am very thankful to the jury members for giving this recognition. I'm very thankful to my mentor and my boss, Mr. Anil Radhakrishnan, and my colleagues at Access Supply Chain for giving me this opportunity. And I hope to connect with all the other award winners at some point of time. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Aditya. Thank you so much. Congrats once again. Let's keep the applause going. And our next winner is Akhil Damodaran. Hi, Akhil. Hello.
Hello. Thank you so much for giving me this award. It's really, really nice trophy for that matter. And I really thank the jury for first of all considering the efforts which we are doing, and being a supply chain winner. It really makes us more proud. And I want to I'm really thankful to my parents, my mentors, my teachers for believing me always. And I'm really thankful to all the people who have supported me for getting into this thing. Thank you so much, and congratulations to all the winners. Thank you so much, Al. Thank you.
Thank you, Akhil. Thank you. And our next winner is Amrit Bajpayee. Let's keep the applause going. Hi Amrit, how are you doing?
Thanks, Charu. And at the outset, I take this opportunity to thanks Celerity Awards for inviting entries from agri-commerce sector that has one of the most fragmented and complex supply chains. The sector also has one of the largest number of micro entrepreneurs, our farmers, and I am delighted to accept this honor 40 under 40. This surely adds fuel to our energies in our mission to transform India's food economy and impacting rural livelihood. Thanks, Charu.
Best of luck on your venture, Amrit, and congrats once again.
Thanks.
And our next winner is Anil Shah. Can we have Anil on stage, please? Hi Anil, your camera, you're not being seen. Yes.
Yeah.
Hi.
Good
Please
evening,
say-
Charu.
Good evening.
Yeah. Thank you, Charulata. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak on this platform. It's a very important occasion in my life. So I'd like to say thank you to the Celerity for giving me such a huge honor and selecting me for this award. I also like to say thanks to all my senior and the mentor who has supported me to reach at this rate. So thank you everyone and congratulations to all the winners.
Thank you, Anil. Congratulations to you again. And our next winner is Ashwini Singh. Can we have Ashwini on stage? Hi, Ashwini.
Hi, Charu. Hi, good evening.
Good evening. Please say a few words. How do you feel?
So thanks a lot, I think Celerity team for providing such a great platform, and special thanks to all the jury members who selected us for the awards, and also to the people who have supported like me throughout this journey. So thanks a lot, everyone. Good evening, everyone, and take care.
Thank you, Ashwini. Enjoy your success. Congrats once more. And our next winner is Faraz Hussain. Hi, Faraz.
Yeah,
Good to
hi,
see you.
Charu. Yeah, good evening, good evening.
Good
Thank
evening.
you. Thanks,
Please
thanks
say a
for
few
inviting.
words.
Yeah, thanks for inviting me here. So honestly, it's pleasure here seeing young talents under 30 as well as sharing this award with super leaders or future leaders who are under 40. Honestly, so thank you, jury member. Thank you, Charu. Thank you, Team Celerity, for recognizing our efforts. And honestly, I share this with Amrit Vajpayee from Waycool also. So it's good that agri-com is also taking shape. Probably we are also going to share the dice with the conventional or the supply chain leaders. So honestly, I'm overwhelmed, full with gratitude. Thank you very much. And I dedicate this award to my AgroStar team who work relentlessly in the one of the toughest time of the century, that's COVID-19.
Yes.
Probably supply chain has changed tremendously
Yes.
what we see before and what we see today. Honestly, it was a great session. Congratulations to all winner participating here, sharing their thoughts. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Faraz. Thank you for your kind words. Congrats once again.
Pleasure. Yeah.
And our next winner is Mohinder Kushwaha. Mohinder, camera on, please.
I have. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, but we can't see
Yeah,
you.
yeah. Now it is.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yes. Hi, how are you doing?
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, everyone, and congratulations to all the winners. Thank you to the entire team of Celerity and the jury for this honor. It is grateful from your side. Thank you a lot. The last year has been a pretty difficult and very challenging for businesses across India, across the globe, and it's been a time where everyone needs to be more positive and continue the efforts that we are putting for so many years, because this is a testing time. And I wish more positivity and more continuous efforts from everyone. More power to everyone. Thank you for this award. Thank you, Charu. Thank you, everyone.
Thanks, Mohinder. Thank you. Congrats once again.
Thank you.
And our next winner is Naresh Rao. Let's keep the applause going. Hi, Naresh. Camera, please.
Yeah, hi, first of all, good evening, everyone. And this award, I would say that this
Naresh,
award is like.
you need to switch on
Can
your
you hear me?
camera. We can hear you. We can't see you. Can
Yeah,
you?
sorry.
Yes, hi.
Yeah. Once again, good evening, everyone. This award, what does it mean to me is like it's a stepping stone to grow more in my career and encouragement to contribute more in the SCM domain. At the same time, I would also like to thank all the jury members for recognizing my profile for this award. And special mention to my organization Bajaj Electricals Limited and my colleagues there and seniors there who have been nurturing me over the years. So thank you once again, Charulata and team, and congratulations to all the winners. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Naresh. Congrats once again.
Thank you, Charu.
And our next winner is Nirav Kotecha. Hi, Nirav. You need to switch on your camera.
I'm waiting for that option. Just a minute. Hi, Charu.
Hi, Nirav. Hi. Please say a few words. How are you feeling?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, firstly, I would like to thank entire Celerity team, you and the team behind you for initiating these activities and recognizing our talent. And last but not the least, I got this award for planning, but the fact is planning is incomplete unless it is well executed. So I would really like to thank my team behind the bars, behind the table, who have done very well activities to execute my plan. So thanks to my entire team, my bosses, my mentor, and last but not the least, my family. Thank you.
Thank you, Nirav. Enjoy your success. Congratulations.
Thanks a lot, Charu.
And our next winner is Puneet Agarwal. A huge round of applause for him. Hi, Puneet. Hi.
Hi, Charu. Hi, I'm doing good. Hi, everybody. It's a huge honor for me to be here on this stage and holding this prestigious award in front of you all. And this is definitely one of the special moments of my life. And it's going to hard to put the feelings into words as I'm being started with them right now. Nevertheless, let me start by saying thank you to my organization for enlightening me about this such platform and pushing me to be a part of it. And I would like to thank Celerity for creating such platform and encouraging young professionals to showcase their excellence and their contributions to the organization and be acknowledged of it. So this certainly gives a boost to the individual to keep putting their efforts in the right direction and be recognized of it. So thank you, people. Thank you for hearing me out. And this is definitely going to add the feather to my cap. Thank you, Celerity, and keep organizing such events.
Thank you, Puneet. Thanks a lot. Congrats once again.
Thank you.
And now we have Ravindra Agarwal.
Charu, can you hear me?
Hi, Ravindra. I can hear you. Please put your camera on.
Yeah.
Yes. Hi, Ravindra. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you. Charu, good evening. And good evening to all the juries and all participants and the winners who have won this award. First of all, Charu, to you, Akash, and Celerity team, a lot of thanks to providing this platform And second, to grand jury who have recognized my experiences and awarded me this prestigious award. And very importantly, my family, my parents, my wife and kids who supported me well to do my best every day. And also to the Johnson & Johnson leadership who have given me multiple learning experiences in last 10 plus years, who have groomed me a lot, mentored me a lot. And because of this, I was able to get this recognition. Thank you again. And thanks to all the winners. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ravindra. Enjoy the success. And our next winner is Sandeep Pratap. Let's keep the applause going. Hi, Sandeep.
Yeah. Hi, Charu. How are you?
I'm good. How are you feeling? Please say a few words.
I'm good. Wow. So I would like to thank the entire Celerity team and the grand jury for choosing me the winner. I would like to thank the other award winners, my industry peers who have won the 40 under 40 awards, and also the young superstars who have won 30 under 30 awards. And I would like to thank all the organizations which have built me, UPL, Cargill, Walmart, L&T, which have built, which have contributed to my what I am today. And I would also like to thank my family, my friends, my colleagues, my mentors, teachers, and I'm very thankful that today one of my teacher is there here, Professor Ashok Pundi. So thank you, sir, and thank you everyone.
Thank you, Sandeep. Enjoy your success. And our next winner is Saurabh Sehgal. Saurabh, can we have you on stage, please? Hi, Saurabh. How are you doing?
I'm doing perfectly fine, Charu. How are you?
Good, good. Please say a few words. How do you feel?
Yeah, sure. So good evening, everybody. First of all, foremost, I would like to, express my sincere gratitude towards the eminent jury members for this prestigious award, for recognizing my efforts. It means a lot. I'm very proud and at the same time very humbled to be a part of, this bunch of amazing supply chain leaders we have today on the podium. So thank you so much. I would also like to congratulate you and thank you, Charlotta, and you and Celerity team for having this platform in which you recognize the talent in the industry. This is a great thing. It means a lot to us and motivates us more to achieve newer heights. So thank you so much to you also. Taking me back few years, I would say I was very fortunate to work in amazing organizations like Johnson & Johnson, RP Sanjeev Goenka Group, and now Kama Ayurveda. Lucky to work with amazing superiors, mentors, colleagues, peers, who have always encouraged me, supported me, sometimes pushed me to achieve higher goals, and shaping my career. So thanks a lot to all of them. This is for you also, guys. You have shaped my career. And last but not the least, I would like to thank my family. I'm very fortunate. My parents have always encouraged me to think big. My wife, my daughter, have always supported me in my highs and lows in my career. And thank you so much, guys. It all, it's yours as mine, I would say. So thank you so much. And congratulations to all the winners, like 40 under 40 and 30 under 30. So cheers, guys. Thank you so much.
Cheers, Saurabh. Enjoy your success tonight. And next winner is Sushil Hinge. Can we have Sushil on stage, please?
Yeah, hi, Charu.
Hi, Sushil. You'll need to put your camera on.
It's on, right?
No, Okay. So, Sushil, how are you feeling?
So I'm grateful, Charu, and I'm equally humbled to receive this award. And I would like to thank the entire Celerity team, especially you and Akash as well, and definitely the jury members, spotting me out. The other aspect, looking towards my organization, who have given me these projects, who have having the trust in me, and definitely the family members as well. During this pandemic, handling the situations professionally as personally is quite challenging. And the other thought apart from this is that, prior to the pandemic, digitalization was a luxury, and now it has become a necessity in life. This has encouraged me this year, and I have also started doing my research program. I'm doing my doctorate, which is into the field of supply chain, which will encourage me to automate the things, including AI, as well as the IoT, as well as the blockchain, and so on and so forth. So this is the biggest motivation for me to do that, and I'm sure I will contribute more to the society as well as to the people. Thank you, Charu. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sushil. Thank you for joining us. And our next winner is Veera. Keeping the applause going, let's have Veera on stage. Hi, Veera.
Charu.
How are you?
I'm good, and good evening, all. Thank you so much. So I'm delighted to be part of this community now, and thank you all for recognizing my team's work. And absolutely, without their support and the entire ecosystem, we'll not be able to deliver those results. I'm sure. I mean, in the last 1 hour, I've been hearing, and like this evening is really happy for me, and knowing what my other peer group is doing the work, and being part of this elite team. This reminds me, and the good work that we have done so far, and motivates me to continue to keep up the good work and add value to the supply chain community. Thank you so much, Charu, and the entire Celerity team and the jury members taking time and motivating us and recognizing the good work. And I'm sure somebody said already that in the tough times we need some positivity, and I'm sure you're doing really great job in motivating and recognizing the good talent. Congratulations to all the peer group, and cheers to all.
Thank you, Veera. Thank you. Enjoy your success. Congratulations once more.
Thank you.
And we have Vignesh now keeping the applause going. Let's keep the applause going. Hi, Vignesh. Yes.
Hi, Charu. Am I audible?
Yes, Vignesh. Welcome back to India. How long are you here?
I am here for a week more, I guess. Yeah, hopefully.
Okay, so Vignesh is in Mondelez, based out of Middle East. Vignesh, how are you feeling? Please say a few words.
Feeling excellent, Charu. But before I go to that, first of all, let me congratulate you, not just for this award function, for the entire supply chain conference. Getting 100 plus people under one banner at one time in these times. Really, congratulations to you, Akash, and the entire team. Just to get us together, and share our thoughts. With that, I think I'm feeling extremely elated, and feeling very blessed with gratitude. Thanks Celerity team again, and the esteemed jury members. I follow a lot of jury members even outside of work on LinkedIn. I've heard their talks at several places. It feels really good to be recognized and chosen by one of by them. And it goes back to all the coaches whom I've worked with in the past 15 years. And over the years with my team in Mondelez, outside Mondelez, I think this is to the entire team. I'm accepted on behalf of everyone. And I think the last 2 years we've heard a lot of things are happening the last 2 years, and I think this year culminated all the efforts together, and the work that we did on maximizing or minimizing cash flow with the best service. I think it has been one of the best learning journeys and very enriching for both myself and the team. And yeah, I accept this award. I really thank you, Charu, and the team again for it. Yep. And of course,
Thank you,
wish
Vignesh.
all the teams again congratulations. It's amazing to see people under 30 doing so well, people under 40 doing so well. It's been an inspirational journey in the last 2 hours as well. Thanks.
Thank you, Vignesh. Congrats. Enjoy your success. Enjoy your stay in Mumbai.
Thank you.
And our next and final winner. The grand finale ends with Vipin. Can we have Vipin on stage, please? Hi, Vipin. You need to switch on your camera.
I think it's on.
We cannot see you.
Yeah, Charu, I think it's on. I don't know.
Okay, Busby, again, glitch. So, Vipin, tell us how you feel. Please say a few words.
Yeah, Charu. So first of all, I would like to thanks the entire jury panel and you, Akash, for for believing in my achievements. I'm very excited, delighted to receive this award. Thank you very much for this.
Thank you, Vipin. Thank you for joining us. Enjoy your success. Thank you. Can we have Ajay again on stage, please? I hope we can hear him now.
Hey,
Yes,
Charu, can you hear me now?
yes, we can hear you, see you.
Great. So sorry about that. The one earlier, there was a glitch. So first of all, like I think everybody has said the same. I'd probably be repeating, but then heartfelt thank you to you and the entire Celerity team and the esteemed jury as well. Congratulations to my fellow winners. And Charu, it was a great session that happened today. I did learn a lot from all the industry leaders, different perspectives. So congratulations on this conference. Really happy and humbled to have received this award. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Ajay. Thank you for joining us. Enjoy your success. And we come to the close of the Celerity e-Conference and Awards 2021. It has been an extremely stimulating, exhilarating, exciting three and a half hours. We would like to thank all our panelists who took time out to share their thoughts and ideas and their experiences. We would like to thank our moderator, Mr. Sanjay Desai. We would like to thank all our award winners, our audience for sitting through this 3-hour sessions. And we would also like to thank our sponsors, Blue Yonder, and our logistics partner, Blue Dart. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy the week ahead. Thanks a lot and good evening.